Hello guys, your boy Richard here. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily make up to $22,000 a month using this particular program called Wordy Affiliate. Now this program is free to start, guys, and you can set this up within a few minutes and then get this running on autopilot. Now I believe there is a lot of programs out there you can start today, like I've mentioned in some of my tutorials, but today I'm going to focus on this. Wordy Affiliate is very big, guys. It's very big. There are a lot of people making money with this program today and every day, and there is a lot of activities going on. For example, in this program, guys, you can easily make up to $22,000 a month if you're able to get 50 referrals to this particular program, or if you're able to get 5 referrals per day, you can make up to $1,458 every month single-handedly. Now before I go further quickly, I just want to ask you for a favor, guys. Please head over to my channel, right? For example, this is where this program is coming from, this tutorial is coming from, because I deliver value creation, guys. Now please subscribe, guys. This is very important to me. Subscribe and hit the bell button so that I can be able to get updates from me coming up like this every time. All I do is find a way that can help you get money, start getting money online, to support your family, support yourself, as everybody's at home due to the coronavirus lockdown and isolations. You have to get, something have to keep going. You know, you can't just sit down or do anything. If you have internet, you have a laptop or mobile phone or computer, this is easily something you can be able to do, and you don't have to pay anybody any money. I'm going to show you how to make this kind of money today, and I'm also show you how to get this traffic free so that you don't have to pay anything from get-go. So everything I'm showing you guys is free. It's doable. I've done it. It's doable. Anybody can do it. You can do it. I believe that. Now let me quickly go back, please, to the topic of today. Like I said, you can make this amount of money today, $22,398 every month coming in, if you have to put in the effort. You have to put in the effort, guys. Now this program is big. It's there. It has been in operation for more than 10 years, and there is always great things coming up. There are many ways you can be able to, make money with this program, but I'm going to show you the easiest one, guys. Easiest one. For example, you can earn monthly this amount. You can earn monthly this amount referring people when they sign up for monthly or sign up for yearly, and every 1 in 8 of these people goes for premium. That's for sure, because it is something that helps. Wordy Affiliate program is something that helps. You can start today by building a free website, also referring people. We can start in any niche, and they have tons and tons and tons for it. Let me show you guys quickly. Let me show you what you can do with this program. You see, this is mad. I don't know why everybody's not on this. Even if you have something that is making you money online, you should jump into this. You should jump into this today. And this will enable you to get a lot of side gig, a lot of side income coming into your life, so you can be able to focus on, other things that will help you to manage your life, also sustain your families, and so on and so forth. The good part of this particular program is that half of the work has already been done for you, guys. Already been done for you. Research already been done for you. Like, this is affiliate program search in this particular Wordy Affiliate program. Yeah, they are not only focusing on actually helping you to make money with affiliate, Wordy Affiliate program network, but also other network that are higher paying network. For example, in health niche, in clothing accessories, departmental stores, accessories, women, you can find keywords which is already made for you. All you have to do is just dive into any of these keywords, or you can use the trending opportunity today. The crazy things about this is the research is ongoing, updated every day. So that means you have less work to do. Now, if you are the type that want to dive into so many high-paying affiliate commissions, that's like I always do, you can choose any of this program here. This program, for example, Evolution here pays you $2,000 per sale if you promote this program. This program here pays you up to $1,870 through ClickBank. Of course, you can make a lot of money, and there is a lot of activity going on. This program here leads you directly to that, so you don't have to actually start researching. Everything is there for you. Yahoo Small Business is another great affiliate page. Do you know that Yahoo have affiliate program? Probably you don't know, but today you know. Thank you for this program. Now you can easily sign up. You can actually view the program from here. Click this and view the program from here. You don't have to go any further. You see, you don't have to open a lot of search browser to do this. You just have to go from here. So what I'm trying to show you is this: there are a lot of opportunities for you to make extra income using this particular program. Okay, so what this does is it compiled these various activities here to enable you. Now, for you to start making money with Wordy Affiliate program, like I said, you can easily start making money with Wordy Affiliate program, particularly with this program today. And then all you have to do is click the link I provided below. That link will take you to a sign-off page, which you only need your email to get started. Your email is all you need to get started. With that email, then you now create an account, free account. When you create a free account, you'll be assigned free website. Of course, you can choose free website, or you can easily, quickly go straight to affiliate program and start. Use the link, copy the link, and then shorten it. I'll show you where to shorten it. When you get your link, you go to this program here. This program here, or in fact, when you go to shrink it, you go type in shrink it, or there is a link provided below as well. That link will take you to this particular web page, which is called Shrinkn. Shrinkn is a shortener, is a URL shortener that will, all those ugly long URL you post space everywhere. You don't do that anymore. You shorten it, make it look very nice. You can actually brand it. So by the way, the time you paste it back to YouTube, somebody will click that because it will look nice and clean. Now, one thing about this particular Shrinkn is that when you put your link here and anybody clicks on that, you get $1, you get 50 cents, you get, depending on the countries. So you are not only making money, you're not only waiting for somebody to actually sign up before you make money. You'll be making money even if somebody did not buy anything. So you see, I've done all this research. I decided to put them together for you guys because this will motivate you. At the end of the day, you will know that whatever you post for traffic, if you're not making sales, but as long as somebody's clicking on it, you are getting paid. You are getting paid. $1, $2 can turn to, because 10 clicks is $10, 20 clicks is $20, and you can turn that over in a month, and that is steady income coming into your bank account or PayPal or whichever method you want to use to collect your money every day. Now, the best part to start getting traffic to this particular program is YouTube. I cannot overemphasize this. YouTube is the place, guys. Now, I'm gonna tell you how you can easily start making money using this program on YouTube. And that means you have to create a video. Now, I know some of you will say, oh, video, why would I create a video? I haven't got skill to create a video. There is no point in me wasting time watching this. Well, if you think that and you seriously believe you cannot create a video, I would suggest you click off and then carry on searching something else that will easily, solve your problem. But if you're ready to put in the effort, and what I said is, you don't have to be in front of a camera to do this. For example, I am speaking to you now, I am not in front of camera. I'm only using software that enables me to do this, easily. Now I'm communicating with you, you are listening to me, and you are following my instruction. That is exactly what you have to do, what you can do. Now, when you make a tutorial like this, and then you put it together on a website, or upload it back on your YouTube channel, people will see it, use their keyword to really target it, and then people will see it, they will click on it. And then when they click on it, then they will start, you start generating traffic. From there, you start making sales. And from there, you start making money. This is autopilot, guys. Because if you set it up now, that is going to run on itself for months and months and months. And every video you upload on YouTube stays there permanently and it becomes yours. Now, how hard can that be? How hard can that be? So what I'm trying to say is this is something you can easily do today. Because, like I said, this program have a lot of tutorials, that have a lot of, like bootcamp tutorial 1 to 10. You can actually, go through. There are a lot of videos, digest information. You can read tutorials, videos to enable you to know exactly how the best, to do. This program also, you can set up a website. When you sign up as a free account, you can set up a website. They'll give you 2 websites, guys. 2 websites that will enable you to actually start making money. But that website probably will take you time. If you don't know how to set a website, you have to read the tutorial to get knowledge and so on and so forth. But what I'm trying to tell you today is something you can do now. It will only take 20 minutes, half an hour to set it up now and then start making money. And how? Create a video. When you create a video, then you choose a topic. When you choose a topic, for example, those programs I mentioned, you choose any of them and you can now tell people how this program works. You do exactly what I'm doing actually, just do exactly what I'm doing. Show people that this program helps them. This program actually works and it changes life. And then you can see the evidence here. Let me quickly show you my reference guide, because sometimes when people talk, they don't show you actually examples or results. They will think somebody's misleading them. Nobody's here to mislead anybody. I am actually helping you with information, the vital information that will enable you to change your life today. Look at these referrals, guys. I'm talking about 20. I can't even count them anymore. I can't even count them because it's getting results. It's getting resolved. People need change. People need, solution to their problem. All these people are under me. They are under my downline, guys. And it doesn't cost you anything to get started. You know what I mean? If all of these people, when they sign up for premiums, then you start getting money. They can be free. They can stay free as long as they like. It's no problem. You can choose to be free as long as you like. But if you really want to start making money, if you really want to start getting the income you need, you have to sign up as a premium package. And that premium package only costs you $42 a month. And that $42 that includes 50 websites, or various SSL encryption, and everything you need to protect yourself to, do well online. So guys, this is easy, something you can do. I don't want to take much of your time today, but if you get started today, for example, you can create a video. Okay, let me show you quickly how you can create a video. Easy. You can go to Screamocast, use a software called Screamcast-O-Matic. It's free. You can start free, or you can just pay for the annual thing they have for yearly, and then you are good to go. You are good to go. It's something. Screamocast is one of the website software that can enable you to do that. Or you can actually download OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free software that is out there that will enable you to do a lot of things. OBS Studio. Or you can download OpenShot. See, OBS Studio. You can download OBS Studio. It's free. And use it as a software. In fact, I'm going to do a video how you can do all that, but I'm just really trying to tell you that it is doable, guys. Click on that, you can download that. Click on that, you can download that. That's free. That's free for you to use. And you can shoot a video just like I'm doing now. So, guys, what I'm trying to say is this is doable. You can make this kind of money today, starting from today, if you put the effort. In. And when you do, please come back here and share a result, because I like to see results. I like to see people actually having results. Alright, thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this coming up. Okay, thank you so much, and God bless. Bye bye.